How to add a new domain in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. Under the Websites and Domains interface, click the Add Domain button. You need to decide how you want to create your website with this new domain name. For a starter HTML or PHP site, choose Blank Website. If you haven't registered the domain, you may exercise this option for a temporary domain. If the account is associated with multiple subscriptions, we can choose one subscription to be the parent subscription for this new domain. This account seems to be associated only with one subscription. As we are creating a website, leave the default selection for hosting type. I don't have any plan to use a third-party DNS or mail service, therefore I will leave these boxes checked. It creates the domain's home directory in the subscription's home directory with a name identical to the domain name, although we can also type in a path of a custom home directory for the domain. Decide whether you want to use www. prefix or not. Visitors of the new website will be redirected to the selected URL. It looks ready now. Click the Add Domain button. Success! The domain has been created and is now ready to use. You can use and manage the domain from here. Thank you for watching.